Today we're restoring wood windows that have some rot in them. These are actually windows off my bedroom, and we're going to use a wood penetrating epoxy to soak deep up into the wood. This wood penetrating epoxy is a fungicide. It kills the fungus that causes the rot in the first place, and it'll restore the wood to even harder than it was before. When this is all done, we'll still need to put a separate epoxy compound over the top to fill in the spaces and fill in the voids, but this is the first step to restoration. A lot of times I'll even pour this type of epoxy into the ends of boards or onto the ends of windows just to preserve them. When this is all done, we'll have to put another epoxy compound over the top of it to bring the shape back. This is how you save a window rather than spending thousands and thousands of dollars to rebuild it. My name is Chris Jacobs and I'm the creator of Vallejo Historic Home Support. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it and share it, and I hope to see you for future episodes.